Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Upskill channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to resolve the Microsoft Store error code 0x80D0000A. When you're trying to install apps, this should be a straightforward process, so let's dive right in. First, open the search menu and type Settings. Select the Settings option. Then go to the System tab on the left side. On the right, scroll down and select For Developers. If developer mode is off, turn it on. Or if it's already on, go ahead and switch it off. Then see if that resolves the issue. If you're still having trouble, try another solution. Open the search menu and type WSreset. Click on WSreset from the results and let it run for a moment. This can often resolve store issues. For an additional step, open the search menu, type CMD, and right-click on Command Prompt. Then select Run as Administrator. If prompted, click Yes. In the command prompt, type sfc/scannow and press Enter. This will begin a system scan, so be patient while it completes. After the scan is finished, close the command prompt, restart your computer, and check if the issue is resolved. I hope you found the video helpful. Please like and subscribe. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.